This is the Unit 2 Structure of the Earth test. Number 1. This illustration shows how most of the recycling of rock from Earth's crust occurs. What is this process called? Subduction, convergence, divergence, faulting. Number 2. To which of the following phenomenon do humans contribute the least? Plate tectonics, soil erosion, air pollution, deforestation. Number 3. Scientists discovered the fossilized remains of a land reptile that lived 200 million years ago on the coasts of South America and Africa. Which claim is best supported by this discovery? New types of rock have formed in South America and Africa. All animals in South America and Africa are related to reptiles. South America and Africa are moving slowly away from each other. Sedimentation in South America and Africa has caused the fossilization of many reptiles. Number 4. Most of the United States is a part of which tectonic plate? Pacific Plate, Eurasian Plate, North American Plate, or South American Plate? Number 5. The map shows the borders of Earth's major tectonic plates. Which tectonic plate is directly south of the African Plate? The North American Plate, Antarctic Plate, Pacific Plate, or Nazca Plate? Number 6. Which of the following has the greatest direct influence of movement on the lithosphere? The Sun, the Moon, Earth's core, Earth's mantle. Where does the energy from an earthquake originate? From a sudden increase in solar radiation striking Earth, from the Moon's gravitational pull during a close orbit, from rocks under stress shifting deep inside the Earth, from the weight of sediments pushing down on bedrock. Number 8. Which event below involves a constructive force? And remember that constructive means building. An earthquake, a volcanic eruption, flood, or windstorm. Number 9. Which of these correctly lists Earth's layers in order from the center to the surface? Is it outer core, inner core, asthenosphere, lithosphere? Asthenosphere, lithosphere, outer core, inner core, asthenosphere, lithosphere, outer core, inner core, outer core, asthenosphere, lithosphere. Number 10. A student uses clay to construct a model of the Earth. Which layer of the model should be the thinnest layer? The layer representing the mantle, the layer representing the outer core, the layer representing the inner core, or the layer representing the crust? Number 11. Which layers of Earth are mostly made of solid material? The inner core and outer core, crust and inner core, crust and mantle, or mantle and outer core? Number 12. Lithospheric plates have moved to form land formations on the Earth's surface. Which land formation occurs as a result of the plates folding upon one another? An earthquake, a mountain range, a river, or a volcano? Number 13. Earthquakes are vibrations of Earth's crust. What device is used to measure the size of an earthquake? A barometer, a Doppler radar, a depth scale, or a seismograph? Number 14. Which geologic feature most likely forms when an oceanic tectonic plate is slowly subducted beneath a continental tectonic plate? An ocean trench, a mid-ocean ridge, a continental hotspot, or continental rift valley? Number 15. Seafloor spreading occurs along boundaries in the ocean. Which is most likely to form at the boundary where the seafloor is spreading? Strike, slip faults, subduction zones, mid-ocean ridge, or continental shelves. Number 16. Which will most likely cause an earthquake? Plates slipping at a boundary or fault, a hurricane hitting a shoreline, water weathering rocks on the ocean floor, or tidal stresses resulting from the distance between the Earth and the Moon. Number 17. In what section of the Earth do earthquakes happen? The crust, mantle, inner core, or outer core? Number 18. At which location does the movement of tectonic plates form isolated volcanic islands such as Hawaii? Transform boundaries, divergent boundaries, subduction zones, or hotspots? Number 19. In an earthquake, the primary waves move through air, water, soil, or rock, otherwise known as the crust. Number 20. When an earthquake occurs, the speed of the seismic wave changes as they move through different material, such as solid or liquid, are pulled by the force of gravity, lose energy to surrounding rocks, or reflect off of boundaries.